Morphle. Morphle clean, clean.
Bubblebear, your bubbles are making Petport even prettier. Huh?
Rainbow bubbles.
What's happened? His tail went in my paint. Ah! Bubblebear, stop! We're supposed to be cleaning up Petport, not making it messier. We need to clean the paint off your tail. We have to stop him before Petport becomes paintport. Do something, Morphle! Let's go! The whole town is getting messed up. Watch out! Morphle, spin your blades as fast as you can and blow the bubbles away.
What? Huh?
We need to wash that paint off. But how?
Morphle, get water.
Huh?
Put me down, please.
That's better.
Phew! Guys, we have to find Bubblebear. There he is! Let's get him! Time to clean you up, Bubblebear. Let's make the town cleaner than ever.
Bye-bye, Piggy Splat Splat.
Wow! Great job cleaning up the town.
Thanks, Daddy.
Actually, I prefer the fence with the paint splats.
That tickles. You got me. Now I'll tag Jordie. Tag! Where's Catmo? There you are. Tag! Don't be sad, Catmo. You just need to find a better hiding place. Wow! Morphle, Catmo tagged you. Let's tag her.
Where's Catmo?
We'll never find Catmo in all the snow. Unless we move some of it out of the way. Look, it's Catmo! Morphle, can you become something a little speedier, please? There she is! Careful! It's slippery! Tag her! Tag her! This isn't supposed to fly! Nowhere to go, Catmo! Wow! Catmo's in the snow fortress! And we're going in after her! Wait! The door is not open! You just drove through a door! It was a snow door, Jordie. A door is still a door. Get her! This is becoming impossible. There she is! Catmo, this game has gone out of control. Catmo, wait! Being caught is part of the game of tag. It's fun. Ready to play again? A bit more wind, please, Catmo. Winston!
My kite is bigger than yours. Watch this. Huh? But it's not windy enough for my kite. I'll give you one of these if you make Catmo turn the weather really windy.
What's going on?
You did it, Claude! This is the weather I need.
Woohoo! What? Stop annoying Catmo. You're making the weather too windy. Mila! Thanks, Morphle. Now let's rescue Jordie and Winston. Phew. Help me! Hang on, Jordie! My hands are slipping! Wait! Gotcha! Thank you! Help me! Winston's in trouble! Let's go! Mila, we can't do anything in this wind! Actually, we can! We can? Yes! We'll use the wind to get us to Winston. Morphle, morph it to a hang glider. Let's go! Woo, yeah!
Well, this can't get any worse. Oh, it's worse!
Don't worry, Winston. We'll save you.
Oh, hurry up with the saving then.
Got you.
You took your time.
Oh, Winston.
Too windy!
We have to calm Catmo down. Treats for you, Claude. Look, Catmo is happy and the wind's calmed down.
Welcome to Petport's annual Super Soccer match between the Morphle Reds, Morphle, Mila, and Jordie, and Magic Pets United, Animi, Inkra, and Telepub. This is a Super Soccer match, so you can't use your hands, but you can use magic power.
And the winning team will get this gold trophy.
Let's score some goals. And remember, not to use your hands. Yeah, go Morphle! Where did the ball go? Oh, man.
Woohoo! That's 1 point for Magic Pets United.
Ready, Morphle?
Ready, Mila.
Animi, you used your hands. Foul for Magic Pets United. Free kick for Morphle Reds.
Yeah!
Halftime.
Marvin, let's go.
There's no way we can win. Listen, guys, we may be down, but we're not out. It's not over till it's over. We just have to work as a team. Now, let's go win that trophy. Yeah! Morphle Reds! Morphle Reds! The ball is alive. A little help here, Morphle? Thanks, Animi.
No goal. Play on.
Go, Morphle! You can do it!
Let's go!
Whoa! 1-all!
Time.
The game's over? Who won? It's a tie.
What time, Mila?
Both teams win!
Yay!
Where is the other team?
Welcome to the Pet Port Flower Show.
Hi, guys. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Jenny. I really want to win that trophy. Let's get my flower. Ooh, I need to give it some water. Morphle, if you please. Thank you. Hey, Mila, this flower looks really thirsty. It's a magic pet! Not just any magic pet. It's a shrub cup. According to the Magic Pet Primer, she can make flowers and plants grow anywhere. Whoa! Oh, actually, oh no! We have to stop her turning Pet Port into Jungle Port. But how? Quick, after her! Mila, a little help, please. Thank you.
Ooh, Shrub Cup tired.
Jordie, where does Shrub Cup sleep? Let's have a look. Got it. In giant flowers. And, apparently, they love berries. In that case, I've got a plan. But first, we need to get her back to the Magic Pet Center. And I know how. Tasty berry. Who wants a tasty berry? Ooh!
A jungle? Not in my city.
Don't worry, Shrub Cup. Morphle, morph into a flower. Here, Shrub Cup. It worked. Shh. Oops. Sorry. It worked. Morphle, lower us to the ground. Oh, she's so cute. They're a magic match! Jenny, meet Shrub Cub. I can't believe I've got a magic pet! Shrub Cub, could you please return Petport to normal? Thank you, Shrub Cub. And thank you all for helping me find my magic match. I think we can all agree that Shrub Cub is the best at growing flowers. Some for you, Jordie. I don't like broccoli.
You always say that, honey, but you've never even tasted it.
You'll never know until you try, buddy.
They're like little trees, see?
Oh, delicious trees.
But I don't want to eat trees. Well, how about if they were a dinosaur? Why would I want to eat a dinosaur? Don't worry, Doubler can make some more broccoli for everyone. Doubler, that's enough! There's broccoli everywhere! Don't worry, Ingrid, everything's gonna be okay. Whoa! Ingrid's power made all the vegetables bigger! A lot bigger. Guys? Oh no! It's a Broccolisaurus! Whoa, that's not something you see every day. Unless you're us. We need to stop it. Oh no! The Broccolisaurus is going to smush the ice cream truck! We need to lure it away. And I know how. The Broccolisaurus is a herbivore. It eats vegetables. So let's feed it. Come on, you Vegisaurus. Try a nice, yummy potato. Now try some carrots. Animi, do your thing. Oh no! Well, that's enough broccoli for one day, huh?
After all that, you're not even curious what it tastes like?
Well...
Jordie, like broccoli?
No. I love broccoli. Hey, is there any more? I missed. Your turn, Jordie. Oh, I missed too.
Bigger, please. Thank you.
Good thinking, Morphle.
Cry.
Winston, are you okay?
What? I wasn't crying, but I can't find my cat, Claude.
I don't know what I'd do if I'd lost Morphle. Where did you last see Claude?
At the animal sanctuary. I was halfway through giving him a present, and he ran off.
Well, let's go back and have another look.
I guess that makes sense.
Claude!
Where is he?
Inkra, could you shrink that head to see if Claude is behind it?
Well, he's not there.
Could you shrink those trees, please? Tiger! Morphle, morph into a speedboat! safe here. This isn't the cat I wanted to find. Morphle, get us out of here. We're safe. Did we just get sneezed up by an elephant? We have to find Inker and get back to normal size. Monkeys! Morphle, do something! Quick, Morphle, go into that cave! Save us! Save us! Yay! We're safe, but we still haven't found Claude. Don't worry, Winston. We'll find him. Let's go back to the Magic Pet Center to think where Claude is. Huh? What's that? What?
Claude! I was so worried about you. Would you like the rest of your present?
Oh, so cute! I'm not sure Claude agrees. That was delicious.
Our first Thanksgiving together.
As one big happy family.
Yay!
Who's ready for dessert?
Ooh, I can't wait for your famous pumpkin pie, Mom. Just wait until you guys taste it. Oh, the yummiest pumpkin pie in the world. No, Telepup. This is for everyone. Down, Telepup. Where they go? We gotta find them, quick! Let's go! Get us down, Telepup. Calm down, Telepup. Jordie! Telepup! Where are you? Mila! Morphle! Up here! Help! Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Leave it alone, Telepup. Telepup, the pie is for everyone. Come back to the Magic Pet Center so we can all have some. Let's keep searching, Morphle. Telepup, stop being so naughty. How are we going to catch a teleporting pup? Morphle, no idea. I know! Morphle, can you morph into a ball, please? A ball? Yeah, that's the only thing doggies love more than food. Oh, Telepup, look what I've got. When you get to the trees, morph into a net and catch Telepup. Okay, Mila. Jordie, quick, run back home. What? Not again. Oh, no. Telepup, can you just go back to the Magic Pet Center? Morphle, the pie!
Well, I'm thankful we can all be together.
And I'm thankful for my new mom and brother. And of course, you, Morphle.
Morphle thankful for Mila and pie.
Jordie, Jenny, is our animal costume show super exciting or what? Totally. I'm super excited too.
Hey, kids. We're gonna get Aunt Augustine so she can watch the show with us.
Okay, Daddy. What animal are you going to be, Morphle?
Morphle now. Morphle play too.
Morphle? Okay, you can be in the show, but you have to choose a different animal. Morphle's already the lion.
Morphle lion.
Oh, no.
Morphle lion. No Morphle lion, no show.
Morphle, bring the stage back. Daddy and Gianna will be back any minute with Aunt Augustine.
Let's go.
Yeah! Get after him, Morphle! There he is! How are we going to get our stage back?
Oh, Morphle now.
I bet you can't jump through a moving hoop, Morphle.
Morphle can. See?
Shrub Cup, don't let him get away!
Morphle stuck.
Way to go, Shrub Cup! Now we've got to get the stage back to the Magic Pet Center. Morphle? Woohoo! Yeah!
Morphle stage.
Thanks, Morphle. But now what do we do? The juggle set's ruined.
Hello, kids. I can't wait to see your show.
Sorry, Aunt Augustine. We don't have a set. No set, no show. Wait! Shrubka can make the jungle. Awesome! Yay!
Morphle lion. Morphle lion.
Not again. Hey, why can't there be 2 lions in the show?
Huh?
Well, I don't see why not. Great catch, Jordie. Throw it to me. Oops. Dun 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 dun. Wow. Hi, I'm Theo, but you can call me Super Theo.
Hello, Super Theo.
Watch me fly. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Litterpug can make you fly for real. He's a magic pet. Wait, what? Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Whoa! I'm flying. Cool, right? You'll be able to fly until Litterpug zaps you again. I'm actually flying. They're a magic match.
Like Mila
Oh, I'm matched with a pet who can make me fly? Best thing ever! Make me fly too! Winston! Yeah! I'm flying! This is awesome! Winston doesn't know how to fly. We have to save him! And Super Theo will help you. Let's go! Super Theo to the rescue! I meant to do that. Hang on, Winston! We'll save you! I don't need saving!
What? Flying children? Only in my city.
Hi, Opsa Freeze! Glitterpug! Zap Winston! into a superhero.
Whoa! Gotcha!
Great catch, you two. Now that was a real superhero moment.
Put me down.
Immediately! What a super day!